Hey guys, it's Louis Profits here, and today is a video on Plutus, which has been doing insane recently. So yeah, we're going to talk about some market updates and things going on with Plutus, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Plutus, it really has surprised so many people in the past week. It's done insane, and there are reasons for this. I'll be explaining them if you don't already know. But yeah, if we look here, it's still such a small market cap. So if you do not have your Plutus card, I do recommend you get a Plutus card. Not financial advice, but let me just run you through the benefits of having a Plutus card. I know it's going to be questions such as, is it better than crypto.com, do you think, or not? There's pros and cons towards crypto.com. First off, I want to list a few reasons off the top of my head. So number one, Plutus has a reason for being, in this aspect, only in this aspect, better than crypto.com. They have a current account built in. So if you're in the UK, you get a bank account along with your crypto card, which is just crazy. You get a sort code and account number if you're with them. So that they have a full-on banking license at a $30 million market cap. I remember looking at this when it was $4. I remember I was in college with my friend. We were looking at some coins. And we found Plutus, and we were so excited about Plutus because we knew this was going to be a bank. Because back then, at like $5 million market cap, they had a banking license then, and it did blow our mind a bit there because that's pretty rare to have at a $5 million market cap around there, give or take. So that's something that crypto.com do not offer. Now, the next thing is crypto.com better as in their staking rewards. The cards they've got, no subscription fee, the fees in general, all of that aspect, crypto.com better. And of course, it's trusted. We know it's going to be here 20 years because of the stadium, the Staples Center arena rebranding into crypto.com arena. So that's something there. We know it's going to stay along, but this has much bigger upside potential, huge upside potential. And it's starting to get listed on good exchanges such as Coinbase. So that is a big thing happening there. It's still so small. It really is. It has such a big upside potential. I can't stress this enough. Not financial advice, but seriously, it is great. So it's, for example, we put $1,000 in, you're going to get 60 Plutus. We're at a $30 million market cap. This could go to $100 easily. You've then got $6,000 from $1,000. So I don't know, it really could do something great there. Of course, that's just a reasonable estimation because you'd still be below $500 million market cap, just hard to say. But yeah, let's get into the video. So if we're looking the past week, it really hasn't been doing much. It's been pumping, going down, just following Bitcoin. But recently, look at this massive pump. It did 150%. It did 150% that day, and we haven't even come much down from it, to be honest. And personally, I do believe that Plutus in the past, like a while ago, months ago, it was subject to pump and dumps due to its tiny market cap, so people were targeting it. But this, we have confirmed, this is not a pump and dump in any way. If we see here, breaking, Plutus was listed on Coinbase Pro. And this is a big Twitter account. This guy's a big YouTuber as well. So there's more people now talking about Plutus as well. And at a $30 million market cap, it does not take much to move it at all. So if you're looking for a good coin to trade as well, Plutus could be an option there for you. Yes, as you can see here, it did 167%. And this was in the space of like 2-3 hours. It was crazy. I watched it happen. It really was insane. This coin seriously could do 100x from here. It really could, because there's no other projects quite like it. If you really think about it, there's no project quite like it. Yes, there's ones with cards, but none with current accounts, bank accounts you get with it. It really is insane to me. As you see, they're also getting listed on Huobi, which is a really big exchange for people to buy on. They're already on Qcoin. There's so many things to come with Plutus. It really is going to be exponential. Of course, not financial advice once again. So if you have taken anything away from this of value, I really would appreciate a like and a subscribe. That is the goal here, for you to come here and leave with something of value. So yeah, thank you very much and have a lovely rest of your day.